Okay, so let's get started. Let's first head over to Claude AI, and I'll leave a link to Claude in the video description. So the first thing that we'll do is head over to claude.com/download, and we'll download the desktop version. Now we need the desktop version in order to connect an MCP to our WordPress website. So make sure that you use the actual desktop version. The browser version will not work. So make sure you download this and install it onto your computer. Once you install and open it up, let's go ahead and open up Claude for the desktop. All right, so once you have the desktop version, now we can actually go ahead and prompt a website. Now, I've actually prepared a prompt for all of you party people in the video description. You can go ahead and access that Evernote. So this is the actual Evernote. Now, I have spent about 2 days A/B split testing everything, and we have narrowed it down to this specific prompt. Now, of course, you can adjust this. So for example, we are going to create a 5-page website for your business. We're going to incorporate your business name, talk about what you do, the customers you serve, and the main goal of your website. We are also going to insert keywords. So for example, if you're a real estate agent in Las Vegas, you want to put real estate services in Las Vegas realtor. If you are a dog groomer in Nashville, Tennessee, then you're going to put dog grooming services, Nashville, dog grooming services, Nashville, something like that, right? And then we're going to build out the actual website with this specific prompt. Now, again, we're just scratching the surface here. I'll show you how to customize and improve the design as we go. But let's go ahead and copy this prompt. So here, we're gonna take this simple prompt, okay? And then I'll go ahead and copy this. And then we're gonna head over to the Claude, and we're just gonna paste this in, and we're gonna update it just a little bit, okay? So design a complete 5-page website for my business using HTML. Make it look modern, clean, and professional, and give it a unique design, and make sure the design beats my competitors. Now, you are more than welcome to add a little bit more design emphasis. So if you want it to look like the award style websites, or if you want to give it a split screen effect, or if you want it to have a checkered effect on the homepage, just go ahead and type it in here. I left this spot open because I understand people watching this might want to add like a unique design to their site. So make sure to add it here if you want to. If not, no problem, we can keep going. So here we're gonna put a business name. Now for this specific example, I am gonna pretend I am a real estate agent in Las Vegas, okay? So I am a realtor and I wanna create an AI website geared for my customers. So my business is called Wilson Estates. And then main goal of the website, obviously I want to get leads, book calls, and maybe even showcase some work, okay? And then here we have SEO keywords. Now the reason why I recommend to put this in now is because if you don't, it's just going to give you a bunch of generic crap all over your AI websites. But if you do this, it's going to really understand like who you are, and it's going to fill out everything with AI and make it more appropriate. So by doing this, you're not just going to have a bunch of random filler words all over your website, and you got to spend like, you know, a day correcting it, right? So make sure that you insert specific keywords. So let me give you an example. Of course, you can add in as many keywords as you want. So you can add in probably up to like 10. Don't like go too much into it. Just give a general idea of what you're about. And here I'll hold shift and press enter twice. And here we go. So we have build these pages. We have the home, the about, the services, listing, and the contact. You are more than welcome to add in more pages if you want. So you can add in like a my team section or a my portfolio page. Just go ahead and update the actual prompt in order to create those pages. And below that, you can see that we have the next is the design. So modern and clean design. Now in this specific case, I let AI decide what is the best colors and fonts to go with for my specific business. Now you are more than welcome to say we are using a blue color scheme, we are using a gold color scheme, any kind of color scheme, you can just go ahead and add it right here if you want. You can also add in your fonts. So if you want to use Poppins bold fonts, you can just go ahead and delete this. Put I want a blue and brown and white website with Poppins bold font and Lato or something like that. But in this specific case, I'm just gonna let AI make the best decision for my websites. And then here, all links and buttons work. I want images to be added to my website, and I want it SEO ready. So this is the prompt that we're gonna use, and all we gotta do is just go ahead and run this prompt and generate the websites. So here, I'll go ahead and make sure that I select the best model. Now, if you are using the free version of Claude, I believe it is Sonnet or Haiku, you can use any model, but in my specific case, I'm using Opus and I wanna use adaptive thinking. You can use the free version of Claude, so you can do all this in the free version, but in my specific case, I'm already a paying customer, so I'm just gonna use Opus, right? So I'll go ahead and run this prompt and let's see what we get. Okay, so now Claude is designing our website, and this process might take about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so here is my AI website. Honestly, this looks really good. There are some things that we gotta fix. For example, I don't have any images, so we gotta fix that. Now let's go ahead and scroll up here and let's just take a look at this through Google Chrome. So let's open up Google Chrome and wow, oh, this looks great. Yeah, look at this. The images are showing here. So obviously the images are showing. Maybe they're not showing through Claude, but as you can tell, we have a really nice looking website. I mean, this is amazing, right? We have a header and footer. Let's take a look at our about page. This looks great. Wow, this is actually better than I thought, you know, like, geez. So here we go, great design. I like this little like thing it has going on. We're changing the text there. I'm sorry, the color. That looks really nice. We have our listings here. We have a built-in filterable portfolio gallery. Really nice. And here we have schedule a call. Great looking contact form. Wow, I love it. Okay, so obviously we got a great looking website, okay? Now the images are working here. So maybe like when you're building it through the Claude desktop, maybe they don't show because it has to load through the application, but we know that the images are working. And I like what they've done here, you know, talk to Darrel. And here you can see that they're basing the text off what we entered in the prompt. So born and raised in Las Vegas, straight talk, no sales talk, marketing that sells, no sales pitch, no pressure. You know, I love the words they're using, you know, like I'm an innocent guy or something, you know, it's like, I'm not that nice, you know? So let's go ahead and jump back to Claude.